In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam no license error in just 5 minutes. This error can be quite frustrating as it prevents you from accessing your games, but don't worry, we're going to walk through a few simple steps to resolve it quickly. First, let's begin by opening your Steam app on your computer. If you're not yet logged in, you'll need to click on the login button. Once that's done, go ahead and enter your account name and password. After entering these credentials, click on Sign In. Now that you're logged into Steam, we'll navigate to your Steam homepage. From here, look at the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on that and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up a window where you'll see various options for configuring your Steam client. In the Settings window, look for the Interface tab on the left side and click on it. Now scroll down until you find the option for Client Beta Participation. Here, you'll want to select Steam Beta Update. This option allows you to receive the latest updates and fixes before they are released to all users. The next step is to clear your download cache. Go back to the Settings menu and this time select Downloads. Here you will find the Clear Download Cache button. Clicking this will clear any accumulated data that might be causing the error. After clearing the cache, let's shift our attention to the Library section of Steam. Locate the game you are having issues with and right-click on it. From the Context menu, select Properties. This opens another window with several tabs. You need to click on the Installed Files tab. In this tab, you'll see an option labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click this and Steam will begin to check the game's files for any discrepancies. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just hang tight. Once you've verified the game files, it's highly recommended to restart both Steam and your computer. This helps in applying the changes effectively. Simply exit Steam, reboot your computer, and then open Steam again. As a final check, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A poor or intermittent connection could contribute to Steam errors. And there you have it, a straightforward solution to fix the Steam no license error. With these steps, you should be back to gaming without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.